What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a rain barrel screen right here. This is a 6-inch screen. Now, they do have a 4-inch screen, but I want 6-inch because I want it a little bit bigger. Just in case when the stuff come off the roof, and it'll just be more filter out to have more room to move around and stuff like that. So right now I am ready to put it in. Okay, you guys, so I put the 6-inch screen on top. I made a mark right here, little red circle. I got several ways to do this. Unfortunately, for the Lennox that I have, the hole cutter, for the 6-inch one, I don't have the adapter for it, so I'm not going to go all the way to the store just to get hook on stuff. So we are going to do this either cutting it with the sawzall, or we're going to cut it with a handsaw. But first, we're going to make like a hole in it. All right. Well, that bent. My life.
Alright, let's check it out. I'm almost there. Alright, so this is right on when you gotta cut the red off. Alright, now I'll speed all up. Too slow, guys. Oh, good. That's wrong. Yep. Mom. Yep. What do you get over? Got it.
All right, you guys, we got our hole cut, but I just want to let y'all know that when they mean 6 inches, they mean 6 inches. It's not a little bit more, and it's not a little bit less. And luckily for this, you could bend it in some just to get a nice fit in it. See it snap. There we go. Alright, and I think it's a little bit lifting because I could cut a little bit more. But I think I might live with it. Just like that. That way water can go through the sides too. Let me take this off and show y'all real quick. Alright, you guys, so that's it. Like I said, for me, it just comes up just a little bit, but I'm gonna get some glue and I'm gonna glue it down on there. I'm gonna put some weight on it, of course, and let it sit for 24 hours, and then we should be all good to go. That's the screen, so that way you can Not too much will go down here as far as what's coming off the roof. Alright, you guys, so this is the end of the review for this 6-inch rain barrel screen. I do not have it glued down. I will glue it down later. I didn't really have time to glue it down, but it's doing its job right now. It's keeping all of the debris out of the rain barrel. So yeah, that's the end of this review. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please drop it in the comment section below, and I'll catch back up with y'all on the next video. Later.